Now let's see how to fetch users by their username. So we'll create a user query which will accept a single argument, which will be the username, and it will be required, and it will return back a user. Next, let's create the resolver function. I'm going to collapse this. Async user the username, then the models, then const user equals await models dot user dot find one, where the username supplied is the username in the database. If no user is found, we simply throw an error message. No user found. Otherwise, we return the user. Before we head over to GraphQL Playground to test this out, let's add a way to fetch all the threads created by a particular user. So we will update the user type and add a threads field, which will return an array of threads. Next, we need to define how this field will be resolved. So create a user object, then threads. This will accept the parent or the root query, which is in our case the user. Then we can simply return user.getThreads. Okay, I'm getting an error, which is as a result of unknown type threads. Oh, this should be thread, not threads. Now we can head over to GraphQL Playground to test this. User, then the username we want to fetch will be Messier. Then we want to get the username, the email. Then we want to get the threads that this user has created. As you can see, this user has not created any thread. So let's fetch for the username John. Here we have the details about the user and the thread that the user has created.